Hey y'all, and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 absolutely delicious holiday pie recipes. We're going to start off with our delicious pumpkin pie. Here I am adding 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar to a mixing bowl, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now once you add all of those ingredients, go ahead and mix those up really well and then set your bowl over to the side. Now to a larger bowl, go ahead and add 2 eggs to your bowl and then whisk those eggs up really well. Now once those eggs are whisked really well, go ahead and add a full can of pure pumpkin into your eggs. Now we are adding all of our dry ingredients to our batter and giving that a really good stir. Now once everything is mixed well, go ahead and add about 1/2 of a can of evaporated milk to your mix. Mix that up well, then go ahead and add the remaining milk that's in that can to your mixture. Then stir until well combined. And now it's time to pour your pumpkin pie filling into a 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Now this pie shell we did not cook beforehand. Now place your pie in a preheated 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. Then you will reduce the heat to 350 degrees and bake for an additional 45 to 55 minutes. Once your pie is cooked all the way through, cool completely, then slice her up. Now on to our chocolate pecan pie. To a large mixing bowl, I am adding 3 large eggs. Give those eggs a really good whisk until well combined. Now we're adding 1 cup of dark Karo syrup. Make sure you get all that yummy goodness out of that bowl, y'all. Next, we're adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Now give your ingredients a really good mix until well combined. Now we're adding 1 cup of chopped pecans and 1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Then stir until well blended. Now go ahead and add your batter to an unbaked 9-inch deep dish pie shell. Then you'll want to place your pie in a preheated 350-degree oven for approximately 50 to 65 minutes. Once your pie is cooked all the way through, cool completely, then serve. Now on to Grandma's famous chocolate pie. To a medium saucepan, we're adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. Next, we're sifting in 4 tablespoons of cocoa and 3 tablespoons of flour. Once your ingredients are sifted well, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 egg yolks to your pot. Here I'm adding 1/2 of a cup of milk just to get everything blended together. Now once everything is blended, I will be adding the remaining milk out of that cup. Then I will be adding an additional cup of milk to our saucepan as well. Once everything is added to your saucepan, you will need to stir your chocolate pie filling constantly while it is cooking on a medium to a medium-low heat until nice and thick. Then add your chocolate pie filling to an already pre-baked 9-inch pie shell. This is not a deep dish pie shell. It is just a regular one. Now go ahead and brown your pie in the oven, cool completely, and then you're ready to serve. Last but not least is our sweet potato pie. Here I have about 3 to 3.5 cups of roasted, mashed sweet potatoes. Now I'm adding 2 cups of granulated sugar, then mix until well combined. Now we're adding 1 stick of softened butter. Give that a really good mix. Now we're adding 4 large eggs to the batter and give that a really good mix. Now I'm adding a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Now we're adding 1 full can of evaporated milk to our bowl. Mix until well blended. Once blended, go ahead and pour your mixture into 2 9-inch deep dish pie shells. Then place your pies in a preheated 425-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then reduce the heat down to 325 degrees and then bake for an additional 30 to 45 minutes. I hope y'all enjoy. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.